Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Connect the log bait deck to power and your host with the USB-C cable, then enable debug mode on the deck so it will emit identifiable markers. Next, install or activate the logging agent on the target system. This is critical so logs are captured as soon as signals begin. Once done, run a quick handshake test and verify the deck appears in the agent's device list, because if it's not visible, nothing else will work. Now configure the core parameters and continue the process with deliberate actions. Set triggers for frequency, payload size, and intervals so the deck produces consistent, analyzable events. This helps you correlate cause and effect. Map expected log patterns and tag fields in your collector so filters can extract bait events later. Deploy the deck to the chosen input channels and run a controlled test. Observe the live stream, validate timestamps, and adjust trigger timing until the emitted markers match predictable patterns. Finish by validating captures and wrapping up the session. Review captured bait events using filters and the timeline view to confirm payloads and tags are recorded as intended. This is where you prove the deck worked. Export the dataset to CSV or JSON for analysis and include all timestamps and tag metadata so you can trace sequences. If you encounter mismatches, recheck physical connections, ensure clock synchronization between devices, and tweak trigger timing. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.